Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think there's a very good likelihood we're going down for a big wave C. We definitely did get a break of structure that looks like it's holding below structure this time, so I am definitely bearish. The only problem with this analysis is that the very, very high time frames like the weekly are definitely still in an uptrend. And that means that there is a possibility that if it goes up and breaks structure, it could possibly keep going up. But I think more than likely this is going to just be an ABC correction to the downtrend based on my Elliot wave analysis on the 4-hour time frame and daily. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I mean, to me, it definitely looks like five ways down. I think this is potentially a one. I'm wondering if this is like an expanding ABC right here for the wave B, and that yes, maybe it is going to go up, maybe it is going to break structure, but maybe it's still going to reject structure and actually end up going back down like a wave two. And then we would have like the end of a crescent here, and then a wave one, a wave two, and hopefully down for a wave three. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.